Hello friends, welcome back to a new video on Ashwa Old Coins. The Hungary 20 forint coin from 2018 is a part of the Hungarian currency system, and it carries with it both historical and geographical significance. To understand this coin's place in the world, let's break down its details, history, and the geographical context in which it was issued. The forint HUF is the official currency of Hungary, one of the countries located in Central Europe. The forint has been in use since 1946, replacing the Pengő, which had suffered extreme inflation post-World War II. The forint's creation was a vital step in stabilizing Hungary's economy after the war, and since its introduction, it has remained Hungary's currency. Over the years, the forint has been issued in a variety of denominations, including both banknotes and coins, and has seen several changes in design to reflect both the nation's history and current values. The 20 forint coin was first introduced in 1992 by the Hungarian National Bank, MNB, as part of a redesign of the Hungarian coinage system. Prior to this, the country's coinage featured larger values, but with the introduction of the new 20 forint coin, Hungary aimed to bring modernity to its currency while maintaining a link to its historical and cultural identity. The 2018 20 forint coin is a part of the series of regular circulation coins minted for the country's everyday use. It continued a long tradition of Hungarian currency featuring themes from Hungarian heritage, including significant events, national symbols, and notable figures. The 2018 edition of the coin likely features designs that were modernized to match contemporary trends while still retaining the historical significance that marks Hungarian currency. The 20 forint coin has a distinct, recognizable design that features both national and historical motifs. Here are the key design elements typically found on this coin. Obverse front. The obverse typically features a prominent design of a national symbol or monument. For many years, Hungarian coins have featured national symbols, such as the Hungarian coat of arms or the image of the Parliament building in Budapest. In the case of the 20 forint coin, this particular design may feature a national or cultural icon associated with Hungary's long and rich history. Reverse back. The reverse side of the coin often showcases a detailed image of something closely related to Hungarian history or culture. This can include scenes from Hungarian landmarks, the Hungarian crown, or the Hungarian national motto, often with a nod to the country's enduring commitment to independence and sovereignty. The value of 20 forint would be displayed in numerals, along with the inscription forint in Hungarian. Edge. The edge of the coin may feature a smooth or mill design, with some coins containing additional small features such as text or patterns to enhance their tactile properties and make them easier to distinguish by touch. Size and composition. The coin's dimensions and weight have remained relatively consistent over the years. The 20 forint coin typically measures around 22 millimeters in diameter and weighs about 6.5 grams. Its material composition has traditionally been a combination of copper-nickel alloys, which ensure durability and resistance to wear. Hungary is a landlocked country in Central Europe, bordered by 7 countries: Austria to the west, Slovakia to the north, Ukraine to the northeast, Romania to the east, Serbia to the south, Croatia to the southwest, and Slovenia to the northwest. It has a rich cultural heritage, having been the heart of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, a significant political entity that spanned much of Central and Eastern Europe during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Hungary's capital city, Budapest, is known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and as a cultural hub of the region. It is often referred to as the Paris of the East due to its elegance and historical importance. Hungary has undergone substantial political and economic changes over the past century. In the 20th century, Hungary was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire until the end of World War I, which led to the collapse of the empire and the establishment of the First Hungarian Republic. After World War II, Hungary fell under Soviet influence and became a communist state until the fall of communism in 1989 to 1990. This led to the formation of a democratic republic and a transition to a market economy. Since the early 1990s, Hungary has worked to stabilize and integrate itself into the European Union (EU), although it has opted not to adopt the euro as its currency, choosing to retain the forint for the foreseeable future. The 20 forint coin serves as a reminder of Hungary's enduring national identity and its financial independence. While Hungary has made strides in modernization and integration into Europe, the use of the forint also symbolizes the country's desire to maintain sovereignty over its economic policies. The 2018 20 forint coin was a small but important part of the national currency, representing a snapshot of the country's cultural and historical landscape in that year. It also serves practical purposes in the everyday lives of Hungarian citizens, from public transport payments to small purchases. The 20 forint coin, particularly from the 2018 series, can also be of interest to collectors. Hungary has a vibrant numismatic tradition, and its coins are frequently issued with unique designs to commemorate national events, holidays, or anniversaries. As with many European countries, coins such as the 20 forint are often collected for their artistic value, historical significance, and potential rarity. The 2018 Hungary 20 forint coin stands as a small but potent symbol of Hungary's long history and ongoing evolution. It reflects the country's journey from its past as part of an empire to its current status as a sovereign nation within the European landscape. The design of the coin serves as a reminder of the country's rich cultural heritage and national pride. Whether used in everyday transactions or cherished by collectors, the 20 forint coin from 2018 holds a special place in Hungary's financial and cultural history.